Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
One, two, 1, 2. Can you guys hear me? Hey,
Yep.
Tez. How you doing, brother?
I'm alright, man. Just here with little man.
Hey, little Tez. How you doing, brother?
Say hello.
Your dad is a really cool man. He's the biggest. Top G. Be proud of him. Good man.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
Hey there, Thomas. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. Everyone is here. Full house in it.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Mike, where you been for ages?
Oh, I've been lurking. I've been logging in.
How was your April? Trading wise.
It was very nice. Went to Morocco on a little vacation, but my trading suffered.
Yeah. April was shit show. But I hope you had some relaxing time off.
Yeah, it was wonderful. If you get a chance to go to Morocco, I recommend it to everybody. It's a wonderful country.
Good food as well.
Yeah.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Sherry.
How are you, brother?
Yeah, not too bad. It's a very strange day on the markets today. It's very slow. Well, it's dropping, but then it moves. I don't like the price action today. So, I've been eyeballing this area right here. To see what's going to happen. Whether we bounce back from the pivots. I think it's going to come down a little bit lower, just to tickle everyone's stop losses. But ideally, if the bullish trend continues, we should see some pretty impulse reaction to this area right here. What do you think? Not much in the news. This morning there was a let's do a ceasefire. Oh no, let's wait a minute. No ceasefire type of scenario, which was quite inconvenient. But we should see what positions, guys, do you have open?
I got nothing.
Why?
I'm in Bajitas's AUD CAD cell.
Oh, that's an exotic pair.
I had it since last night, made good profit, and then re-entered a little while ago.
Well, that's all that matters. If it makes profit, that's all that
Take it.
matters. Yeah. GJ. Again, GJ is within the weekly and the daily pivot. Not much price movement this week on currencies and gold. Nasdaq. Let's see the earnings calendar. I am looking for some kind of opportunity. Walt Disney today. Pretty good earnings per share, but the revenue forecast is still strong in my opinion. Not much deviation. They managed to get or keep many of the subscribers, which helped to push the revenue forecast and gave some very good EPS for the investors.
Afternoon, Thomas. You okay?
Hello, Kai. How was your bank holiday?
Yeah, it was good. Did you enjoy it as well? Did you take break off or?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Not much.
Good
Did you
stuff.
go out?
Yeah, not on Monday. No, not on Monday.
Okay, gold. I'm still waiting for this area right here to see if you have a reaction. If it fails, then most likely we're going to continue. Hard to say, but at least 2284. Now on Nasdaq, I just spotted something which could be quite good for us in it. That's the daily. Everything is just moving sideways. Look at Nas, very quiet. But anyway, focusing on Nas today and gold. Unless you guys have anything you want to share. TP stop loss.
I've been looking at UJ. I'm not in anything at the minute, but I'm looking for buys on UJ.
Buys on UJ.
Yes, BB. Yeah.
I just took a sell on gold.
Just above the pivot.
I think it dipped right below. Got in it here at 2011. 2311.
What is your argument?
I'm looking at a 1 minute chart breaking support, and I'm also looking at a Renko chart to see volume and momentum.
Yeah, Renko should show you some nice downward movement.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
We'll see.
Looks like your UJ buy is working out nicely, Kai.
Yeah, I didn't get in. I was looking at it, but
Oh.
yeah, missed it.
I jumped in a GU sell, tight stop loss.
Guys, all over the place. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Anyway, generally speaking, Mike is selling gold. Kai was potentially buying UJ. Des is selling GBP USD, GU. So generally speaking, you guys all anticipating dollar strengthening. Because all of these three positions That's my first initial thought. The common thing in all of these three positions is dollar strength.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else should I focus on. My initial thought was NAS and gold. It's pretty much most of the news we have is around stock market. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a cheeky buy on gold. Purely the let me just show you. Yeah, that's based on the pivots. No other. So I'm focusing on mostly on technicals today. The Israel-Hamas ceasefire and then no ceasefire was a bit of inconvenient in the morning, but what can you do? There's absolutely no way to to see these kind of developments. Rico Trading is asking Tomasz, what if they stop the war scenario? Good question. Ideally, gold should drop if they stop the war, but then, you know, the central bank's buying gold, so maybe they could take up the opportunity to buy at a discounted price level. But my initial thought is, if they stop the war, for some miraculous reason, gold should drop. So I only entered with the time.
Sorry.
I only entered with, you know, a small lot. Stop loss, I placed it at around 2307. Yeah, and it should be 2306, even a little bit lower. So it's 50-60 pips. It's still within £1,000 maximum loss. It's £832, so I try to keep my losses at below 1,000. Yes, Kai, how can I help?
What was your? I haven't been in the live for a bit. What was your reasoning behind taking the US 30 trade? 'Cause I'm guessing buy long.
Yeah. Just general, you know, risk on mode. So if you looked at the markets when we had the NFP data, which contradicting my US 30 buy, but the general interest rate expectation that the Fed is going to cut interest rate based on the soft
Landing
job
approach.
Yeah. The soft data, sorry.
But isn't that more long-term focus looking? Or could it be seen as short-term in the market as well?
Which one? Yeah, short
like-
term as well. Short term as well. Mostly market is pricing in the future.
Right.
So
Okay.
the best is to, you know, have a long-term view, but trade it in a short horizon.
Yeah, sure.
Especially when the market is pricing in things.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome, brother.
Hello, team.
Hey, Adrian, how you doing?
Yes, I'm good, thank you.
Do you have any open positions?
No open positions. Is for me too uncertain with the market sentiment, and I entered after New York Open. I'm looking for opener position because it's too choppy for me, the market situation, in my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. So thanks to Angelo. Thanks to Angelo yesterday.
Good man.
Nice. It was a nice call.
Yeah, I saw it. It was a good trade.
My bias was bullish, and I flipped my buy into a sell. I'm selling with you, I don't know. And this was the last time I said. And then I wait all day long for the buy, for the opportunity. And then for me the confirmation was given, and then Angelo's at the same time sent out the signal, and after 70 pips I'm out of the trade. It
What
was
is
a
the
good one.
conclusion of this?
For the trade?
Yeah, like, you know, you're changing your mind and then deciding to wait.
It is sometimes the uncertainty, you know, Tamas. I'm looking for the simple things. Often is from the R1 down to the pivot, or from the S1 up to the pivot. I like this trade. And yesterday was the same trade like every time, you know?
Pivot to pivot.
Yes, pivot to pivot or R1 to pivot, and this is I like these trades, and it's very simple, but it works out for me at the moment very well, Tamas. Very well.
Yeah,
I keep it
it
simple
does.
as fuck. I'm selling from the R's and I'm buying from the S, from the support. Taking 30 pips like Eisenhower. Taking 30 pips to 3 or 5 lots, you know? 500 a day keeps the doctor away. Boom.
Absolutely.
And that's a nice one. And this is...
Sometimes the simpler strategies are the best, in it.
The best. For me is the best.
Yeah.
Make the money, take the money.
Yes, bro.
Ooh, I like that.
Yes. Yes. You're in the buy. I saw you in the buy, Thomas.
Yeah, but just a small buy between the pivots.
What's small? 2 lots? 5 lots?
Two. Okay. But the risk is only £830.
Why is your 2 lots different to my 2 lots on FTMO, Thomas?
It could be the leverage, could be the contract size.
The contract size, huh? Yes. Because we have small.
No. The US 30, I have small contracts, like mini contracts, and usually I have to enter like big lots, like 20 lot trades in US 30 and Nasdaq. But on gold, it could be because I'm using a pro account as well.
For me, as example, when I use a 2 lot position size, and it goes in the wrong direction, and my stop loss is $5. I'm losing 1,000. This is mal 5, you know, multiple 5. And when you lost,
the other thing is that my account is in sterling, not dollar.
Ah,
there's a big difference.
Okay.
Yeah, Thomas, you know, yeah, with like choosing account currencies and that, obviously isn't it the smart idea to choose sterling because obviously it's worth the most?
Personal preference. It's not always so. Some people like dollar because, you know, oil and gold is denominated in dollar, so you see the incrementals or prices going up, you know, in nice round numbers rather than you know. So it's nicer to trade a dollar, but I like sterling, also because, you know, when you the payouts and everything. So when you're paying out, I also take into consideration, you know, administration fees, transfer fees, withdrawal fees, and all that. And for me, this is the most efficient.
Sure. So it is for obviously beneficial reasons as well.
Yeah, and also, you know, just how to say?
Because you prefer it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good old money, good old pound in it.
Yeah, good old British sterling.
Some brokers will also charge you FX swap rates for overnight as well, so the expenses can be higher.
Well, say it again, Brad.
Some brokers will also charge an overnight swap rate from US dollar to sterling and back again next day. So there's extra expenses sometimes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Today and tomorrow, no news, huh?
No, so dry.
Thursday next one.
Let's see the.
Yeah,
actually, no.
for me, no
Wednesday.
trading. For me, no
Wednesday
trading on
is going
Thursdays
to
anymore.
be. Wednesday is going to be UK GDP or an interest rate decision. Sorry, not GDP.
That's on Thursday, Tamash.
Is it Thursday?
Yeah,
You see, I should have been trading this week. I don't even know what day it is.
I didn't until earlier. Don't worry.
And when you have a bank holiday, you just
Messes it all up,
messes.
innit?
Yeah. Yeah. Wednesday. Wednesday's absolutely dead.
Yep.
Thursday, Bank of England interest rate decision with some commentary, minutes. Also the Bailey speech, and then U.S. countering jobless claims. Recently, the jobless claims isn't doing the trick, and then central bank speeches. Then on Friday, British GDP, good old GDP. Very quiet week.
Yes, very technical, maybe, huh?
Do you know? Have you heard it saying "sell in May and go away"?
Yes.
There's a reason for that.
But you're buying.
No, it's like in stocks and all the positions to liquidate
Also in Bitcoin.
in long term. Is it dropping?
No, but the selling in may go away is also in Bitcoin in the past, but Bitcoin in this cycle is completely different. Completely. Very strong.
Deeply invested. Hopefully, it pumps all the way to the next year.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking for Frog coin.
What?
1000x. What 1000x? Froggy
1000X.
frog.
Frog coin or Pepe coin?
Yes, like this, bro.
Yeah.
$600. $600.
I'm on it.
And then you look in your account on your wallet.
And you
Done.
start crying.
Stop trading. Stop trading. It's so boring. This day is so boring on the market. This is wow.
It's dead, man. There's no movement at all.
No, nothing. Maybe New York brings some volume, but this is boring.
Who's going to say it?
Not me.
Who's going to say it? Come on,
What?
just say it.
What?
Just say it.
It.
No. Oh, fuck off, guy. No, there's no point trading. There's no movement in the market. We should have the day off or the week off.
See, that's why I didn't say it.
You call it a day and go away.
No, I'm going to, suffer with you guys a little bit. Listen to your sexy voices. Keep me awake.
This nonsense.
What's that? What did you say?
Listen to this nonsense. To those nonsense. Habibi.
Don't come to Dubai.
No, don't come. No. I'm honest. Nobody, please don't come to Dubai. It's overcrowded. Beep. Hello.
You got a new one, Tamash, yeah.
Oh, gold is pumping now. Gold is pumping.
6 pips, guys. There is
Yes, gold is pumping.
crazy
hard.
profit. Lambo profit. 6 pips.
Ah.
Maybe Comex open gonna give volume in 2 minutes.
This is the music from the elevator.
Yeah, I'm going.
Elevator sound.
It is.
Yeah, we need to change it.
Why are you beeping? Why are you beeping me all the time?
What did you say? Sorry.
Okay, I leave the stream. Goodbye.
Kurwa, come on.
to Dubai.
Baby.
Tamas, are you buying US 30?
Say it again.
Are you buying US 30?
No. Should I? I was thinking Naz.
DP.
I saw
Stop
US
loss.
30 on your MT5 screen, trading screen.
But that's like a position from last week.
Oh, sir. Oh, I saw analysis.
No, it's a position from last week. Actually, US 30 is pulling back a little bit.
Have you taken some profit yet, Thomas? Well, obviously, yeah, I'm guessing.
Yeah. But top tip for upcoming YouTubers: if you open a very small position, leave it running, and you have big numbers on the pip calculator, it looks good. The same as when you're trading on the 1 minute chart and you zoom in a lot, so even a 1 pip movement looks enormous.
My wife wants to know why I'm laughing. What do I tell her?
Sorry?
Nothing. I'm not.
Yeah, his other wife.
Last night.
Yeah. Don't start, Thomas. Don't start.
Brett, how is Melinda?
Just-
Oh, was she your niece?
The headphones are working now. Nothing you can say matters.
Damn it.
Funny. Very funny.
Pumping.
Adrian, are you a big Bitcoin guy? Are you always in and out of Bitcoin?
No. I was invested in 2000, end of 2020 to the mid of 2021, and I'm very, very lucky. I have no idea. I invested in the right coins, Solana and Cardano, and make a lot of money. I lost everything back to the market.
Congratulations.
Yes, like everybody who has no clue with this shit. No, not everything, but I'm watching the Bitcoin. I'm looking at the chart, and I'm interested in this theme, in this whole theme, the crypto and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, 17 pips, ladies and gentlemen. That is banging profits today, innit?
Habibi.
£181. That is extraordinary. Rico Trading has a question on YouTube. Tomasz, I had a question. When you started trading, have you ever over leveraged and ending up losing all your money and sits in the chair thinking your life might be a lie? I haven't lost all my money in trading. Stop giving signals, Sherry. So I had losses, of course, and the worst part for me was that I started trading at university, demo account, put some student loan money into an account. So I wasn't playing big, but when I started working in banking and finance after graduation and after I've done, my qualifications, started CFA, got my job at Reuters on the financial side. So, Reuters is the number 2 competitor for Bloomberg in finance. So they have a nice platform and everything. So, and then I moved into emission permit trading. And anyway, I ended up in banking and hedge funds. So when I started really trading on the cash equities desk, I thought, I have inside information, I have Bloomberg terminal, I have everything I need. But all I had is fucking ego. I thought I'm the Wolf of Wall Street, Oh yeah, let's put the salary on and some savings on trading. But, I got burnt a few times. Next month, I had good salary, so it was not a problem. But yes, I had losses as well when I started. And as soon as I took out the ego from the equation, it became much, much, much easier to trade. Obviously, risk management is absolutely number 1 key, and patience. The reason why these two are the most important is because you can open a small lot and see how your account grows. Imagine you put your money into a bank account. They give you like 3 to 5% annual interest, right? That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
But if you start trading, you open like a small, you put £1,000 or $1,000 in a trading account, and if you know the direction, and if you open like a 0.05 lot, or doesn't matter, I guarantee that within a couple of weeks you're going to see even greater yield than if you would put into a bank account.
That's why they have things like stocks and shares ISAs and stuff like that in the UK. A lot of people tend to put their money in ISAs, but they don't know a lot about stocks and shares ISAs, which obviously generate a bigger yield depending on if the stock has done particularly well in the year, right? So, which is normally
is it capital protected?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Yes.
Up to 85,000, I'm pretty sure.
The thing is, like, there is no country in the world where financial literacy is at an okay level. We are fucking morons in finance. Every single country, they don't teach kids, and you learn a lot of stuff about history, geography, but have you ever learned about compound interest or interest rate, or how a mortgage works? No.
Nope, you don't get taught that. Huh?
No.
What's the compound interest is?
Compound interest, I think it was Warren Buffett that said that those who understand compound interest make money, those who don't pay their salary. So compound interest is basically
making money work for you, really.
Yeah, so your account is starting like $100. You make interest in year 1 of 3%. Per year 2 is going to be £103, $103, and then $103, 3% annual yield, and this goes on and on. So it's a long-term investment. Your money works for you, and then when you want to take out your money, suddenly all the management fees and withdrawal fees are going to burn up the profits. That's sad reality.
I've got there's certain companies, obviously it's different for different countries, but there's a bank that have no withdrawal. Obviously it depends as well what sort of account you have with them, but I have no withdrawal fees on mine or nothing like that, or no limits to withdrawals as well. Because that's
Trust
one
me,
thing
they will charge, especially if you want cash or something. But the thing is, is the small print. I had a life insurance. I was paying it for 7 years or something, and the money it had some really good return. So I think it was 5 or 7 years. I had to lock it down, but I wanted to take it out. They made it so difficult to take the money out, and also suddenly charges appeared that, oh yes, you took it, you didn't take out for 5 years. I was eligible for bonus because I left my money parking for 5 years. They paid the bonus, but suddenly they come up with ridiculous fees, which ate into the profit.
With life insurance in the UK, if you wanted to cancel your life insurance, I don't think you get the money back here.
If you cancel your life insurance.
Yeah, they just keep the money, whatever you were paying on your plan, on your policy plan. You don't get no money back.
No, they must give back the money.
I don't.
I can vouch that they don't. The monthly
Really?
installments you pay in,
Yeah, they
you get
don't.
back.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, forget it. I'll just make
But
an
is it
extra
like a
pension
government life insurance or
No, companies.
that's daylight robbery?
Yeah,
Yep.
that's crazy. That's crazy.
That's UK. That's UK though for you. In any way they can, they'll take your money.
Yeah,
Leave
that's
you
true.
shirtless.
It's ridiculous. Especially the UK and every country they taxing the tax.
Taxes is for people that do good, and fines of people still that people do good. There was a saying or something, but either way, you know what I'm saying? Like, stupid. Fines, taxes. You get taxed on your taxed money already.
Yeah. Do you guys have inheritance tax in the UK?
We do, yeah, of course,
Yes, yeah.
It's a certain threshold.
I think it was in Hungary where they abolished the inheritance tax. Obviously, on cash you have to pay, but if you inherit like a house or something, you don't pay. And if you sell that house, you pay like a very, very small fee, which is good.
Yeah, Australia you don't have to pay inheritance either. But in the UK, yeah, you do.
Yeah, I think it's about 300,000, I think, in the UK.
The UK's got a larger prison system. That's what it is. It's designed to keep you like that. That's exactly what it is.
Wow.
Yeah,
Hey Kai, that's why a lot of people here in the UK, they set up a little company and they get the company to buy the property, and then they just make their family all the equal shareholders of the property, and you don't actually, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah. So obviously in the UK, there's obviously loopholes as well for the people that are obviously doing that as well, because there has to be some sort of, barrier. But obviously the people, we don't get taught these things, and not a lot of people know that. But yeah, obviously if you have a company, you run everything through that. That's how you're a bit more efficient. But it'll be nowhere near as good as if you was in a different country.
Yeah, but you have to be financially witty to do these things, and you have to have capital. You have to have a house first things first. But you need to somehow put that house onto the balance sheet of the company, which is going to cost money. But after that, it's going to be easier to manage. But the problem is, going back to square one, the financial literacy and the financial education is just shit.
Yep.
People don't know.
If you want to learn about financial stuff, you have to go to university to learn it, and then at that point, you're already paying for it. So stupid.
Yeah. Or have a good accountant. Which
all that.
money.
Yeah, that helps.
What do you know? What's a good accountant? How to spot a good accountant? If you asked she or he, like, how much is 2 + 2? Generally, most of them are going to say, "Oh, it's 4." But a really good accountant is going to say, "How much do you want it to be?"
Yeah, accountants are like your best friends, isn't it?
That was a good joke when everyone laughed. Wankers.
Well, Thomas, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna go have something to eat. But how long are you staying on the live for?
Not long. I mean, the market is dead now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. All right then. Well, you have a good rest of your day. See you later, team.
See you.
See you, Kai. See you, man.
Another one down.
Okay, big trades. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, Kai has left. Now we can talk about him.
He's a good guy. That's what I say.
Yeah.
All right, let's look at some charts. What's going on?
Yeah, give me some trades, guys. I do all the work every day. Give me something with TP and stop loss, please, yeah?
Hey, Tamas, I lived in Singapore for 10 years, right? And when I was there, the exchange rate was like 1.2, 1.3 Australia to Sing dollar. And it's now like, 86, 87, 88, 89. And I'm going to open a swap-free account. And I'm just going to buy in at levels as it drops up and down. And I'm going to hold it all the way back to 130.
Good strategy.
Yeah, it could be a few years, but no swap. So what have we got open in the US? What's the time?
It's still an hour until US Open.
Yeah.
56 minutes, but I don't think I'm gonna wait that long. Wow, guys, 22 pips profit. Insane. Now, those who are risk averse, you want this trend line, this red trend line to break.
Could you draw the channel line below it as well?
Fucking index.
Parallel as well. Wife going crazy.
What does she do for a living? She's a trader as well.
You
have to think about what your wife does.
No. It's difficult. I'll put it in the chat.
Ah, okay.
Man, these wifeys have us under the thumb, I swear to God.
What was that? Sorry.
I said our missuses have us under the thumb, boy. We have to whisper and that shit.
Ah, yeah. Well, at least we know who wears the trousers.
That's
In
it,
it, Brett.
don't want to catch the rust.
I wonder if
want my
Brad's
man to
wife.
know.
I wonder if Brad's wife knows that he's trading away their life savings.
Don't even joke about it. Don't even joke.
Oh, all right. That's exciting.
Shut up.
Do you get the terminal, Brad? Then.
Yes,
Yo,
sir.
Fluanka. Can you set me up?
It's not cheap, it's not cheap.
I know. I used to get it for free though, for many years. But since that, I had a couple of months subscription, but it's just like ridiculously expensive for day traders.
Yeah.
And it doesn't give that extra value, to be honest.
Well, it's useful on NFP days and stuff like that, right?
Oh, I killed the music. Yeah, but keeping a subscription, I mean, it's better to understand the market and what you're trading and how you trade and how the market moves rather than having, Bloomberg Terminal, because nothing can save you from, bad trades. It's only you.
Yeah, of course. Agree.
Mm. $426 pips profit. That is decent.
Good tunes.
$30 pips. How amazing.
Yeah, nice. Who knew?
Mm-hmm. 40? Anyone? 40?
Yes, there it is. Nice.
Trader Retzech. Hey Thomas, I know you from Bart. I love what you're doing on microeconomic and you trade very calm. I hope you always can be stream and give more information about macroeconomics. Oh yeah, Ivan Bart. Yeah, he's a very cool guy, very smart guy. I love to have discussion. I haven't spoken with him for a long time. Yeah, he's a good guy. Viral World, give me advice. I not long haul trade. I don't understand it, brother. Brad, are you Australian? Are you Australian?
Yeah, Australian.
What's the dynamite?
Oh, crikey.
Oh, look at the Sheila.
Yeah, your accent's not so bad, huh?
Yeah, mate. Now that's South African. Oh, dickhead.
Oi, dickhead. Piss off, you whacker.
Sometimes it sucks to be a trader when there's no market movement. But the good thing is we can stop working whenever we want. That's the life of a trader. If the market doesn't go in our way, stop trading. If you go work 9 to 5, you can't say, oh, it's boring, I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, it's a bit of a luxury, isn't it, really?
Yeah. I mean, there is a saying that there is a rich man and a wealthy man. Rich man has money, but real wealth is when you have money and freedom, because that's the real wealth, and you can decide where you want to be, with who you want to be. Oh, 40 pips, anyone? 40? Come on, gold. 39? 39? Come on, 40 pips. Give it to daddy. 39? 39? Oh. 30, come on. Hit 40. Hit 40.
All teasing.
Yeah.
Thomas, I think Viral was mean that he can't hold the trades longer.
So
Maybe-
can you say it in English?
Nine.
Ah, sorry, it was Sherry again. What did you say? Sorry.
Viral was mean that he can't hold trade longer. So maybe you have some tips for him. He means that.
For who? Oh, 40 pips. Amazing.
Thank you, Thomas. My target is complete, so I will leave the chart and enjoy it.
Very nice.
Thank you, brother. Love.
45 pips. Oh my god.
This is good. This is nice.
Whoa. 50, almost 50.
How much would you guys make and then get off the charts in terms
How
of
much?
account percentage?
I think it's I think it's different for
like-
everyone.
Yeah.
Some people
But, like-
calculate the percentage, how much, based compared to the account. Some people use monetary value, for example. Adrian, I know, he's 1,000 a day or 500 a day. That's his target.
Fair, alright. Because I admit I overtrade a bit, so I need to set myself a reasonable target to stop trading after I make that profit.
Can I ask what's your account size? Like, is it like a small account, like under 10,000 or above?
Yep. So I'm at 6,000 right now.
Okay. What was your approach previously? Did you use percentage or?
I don't know. I just overtraded. I just try to do like Asian session, like London Open, London exit, New
So
York
all over the
Open.
place.
Yeah, I'm all over the place.
Yeah, the thing is that it's hard to answer these questions because the thing which works for me may not going to work for you. So you have to try all of these. You have to have a sleepless night, trade Asian session if you're Europe. You have to trade London Open, and you need to try out different things. It's like when you're dating in your younger age with different girls. You need to find the right one for you, and then you're going to live your life with her. I did the same thing, and I'm pretty much sure that 99% everyone else did the same thing. What I found very useful is have a target, how much not to lose. That's the first thing, because number one rule in trading, learn how not to lose money, or how not to burn your account. That's probably the first step for beginners. So I have a target of 50 pips, by the way. I have a target of maximum £1,000 loss. Sometimes I go over, sometimes under. It's different, but I have at least something to stick to. The second one is I have to divide it small account and large account, because in small account holders usually suffer and they're impatient. I can be patient and open a small lot trade and see it goes to 1,000, 2,300, even £6,000, and then just close the trade. Small account holders, they're struggling because they don't appreciate even a 10% gain on the account, because that money doesn't seem as big as on large accounts. So that is the psychological problem. For me, I trade news, I set maximum loss, and and I trade news. A simple strategy.
Thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome. One person, Brad says 1% today isn't so bad. Yeah, whatever makes your psychology relaxed and calm, that's the most important. Find something, percentage or monetary value, doesn't matter. No, back to 30 pips profit.
Rejected from the pivot, huh?
Let's see. It's still struggling, but I think we have good chances that it's going to break through. I mean, look
Yes,
at
I
that
think-
rejection. Look at that rejection from the weekly pivot.
Mm.
If I zoom in, I'm going to close Dow Jones because there's no point now. Yeah, that's this is the area. Very nice rejection, but again, sideway movement. Destiny Enclave, thanks Thomas, profit booked 60 pips. No problem. Make sure you invest it in your education or buy something nice. How is Mila?
Very good. She grows so fast, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Now she's a little girl talking about boys. Yes. I need red wine infusion. You know?
Yeah.
I need infusions with the red wine.
I have a
Take
friend
this.
whose daughter is like 16. You know, the
Wow.
age when she starts really dating. And my friend, he was an ex-bouncer, and he was in the nightlife. So, you know, in some he did some shady business, and he's a big guy, bald, tattoos. He's a K1 fighter.
Yeah.
And imagine the poor guys that girl brings home.
Yes.
But he's the calmest and nicest person in the world. But as soon as they saw, shit, that's your dad. Yeah.
Yes, this is the. Yes, in the future. See what happens.
Let me know if you need backup, like in that 50 Cent movie when he asked the guy to come into the garage and there was like 30 guys.
It's the best, one of the best scenes for every.
What was the movie?
Dad with the daughter.
What was the name of the movie? Can't remember. Those of you who are watching the stream, if you're not following me on Telegram, I send the link into the YouTube chat. Make sure to follow me.
Den of Thieves. That's the title
of
from the
Thieves.
movie. Den of Thieves. I put it in the Discord.
Thank you. When do we get to buy Alpha FX merchandise? I do have t-shirts somewhere in the garage. Like some very good graphics design. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. New York Open is coming up in 37 minutes. I'll leave you the joy of watching the chart for another hour. And tomorrow we may or may not going to have briefing or live trading, because you know, if the market is like this, there's no point of trading. But anyway, I wish you guys good luck. Wonderful session, amazing 50 pips, by the way. Best trade of the week. Thank you so much, and see you later.
Thank you, Tomas. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye, Tomas.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sasa. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to join the Alpha community, check the link in the YouTube chat, because you have the opportunity to join for a discounted £199. That's because we had 50 pips profit today. Make the money, take the money, join the Alpha FX team, and trade with me to make money. Thank you so much, and see you later. This is the Alpha FX.